Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you, today is going to be a continuation of the SQL login and registration. Today we're going to be dealing with the login part of it. Sorry this took so long to make. I've been having finals and been playing games and whatnot. And been making sure my website's up. So, check that out, www.computertutorials.ismywebsite.com. I'll put it in a caption and the annotation in the video so you can check it out. So go and load up Visual C Sharp and or Visual Studio, and then open up our project that we created last time, and it should be SQL Login and Registration Database if you named it the same thing I did. I went ahead and created my Form 2 because this is going to be somewhat of a lengthy tutorial. There will be a little bit of copy and pasting because it's a new property to me and I haven't had time to memorize it yet. But I can also, if you just make a comment or send me a message on YouTube or an email at badluck12@gmail.com, and I can send you that notepad with the text in it, but I will read it out loud so that you know exactly what it is. So basically, and the only thing you need in Form 2 is, as in the GUI, is 2 text boxes and a login button, and that's about it. So go and make those, and then once those are created, you're going to want to double click on the login button. Now, sorry, I was doing my test code. Okay. Now, you're going to want to add the using statements system.data.sql and using system.data.sql client. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to go back to Form 1, and we're going to select from the open curly bracket, close curly bracket, all the way up to string connection. We're going to want to do Control Copy because we need that connection string for Form 2. And we're just going to paste it in button 2. So once that is done, we're going to want to go back to Form 1, and we're going to want to type in the button 1 underscore click Form 2 equals new Form 2, which basically creates a new instance of it, and then form2.show. So whenever the button is clicked, it'll open up Form 2. Okay, so this sets up our connection. Now I have this in my notepad, so I'll copy and paste it one at a time. SQL command cmd is equal to new SQL command open parentheses quotations star sign from open bracket user close bracket close quotations comma cn. Now basically what it's telling it to do is it's telling it to select every single table from every single column from the table named user. So if we go over to our left side and we look at our Server Explorer, our table is named user, and it's going to select both of these so that we can use them later on. Now I'm going to copy and paste this. cmd.connection is equal to cn. Now basically this sets the commands connection to this connection up here. Now SQL data reader is equal to null. Basically it's just creating a new instance of reader. So yeah, and then we need this. Reader is equal to cmd.execute reader. Basically, it's just telling the command to execute the reader on the button click. And then the last bit of our code. While open parentheses reader.read open parentheses close parentheses enter open curly brackets if open parentheses textbox.text double equal sign is equal to reader open bracket quotations username close quotations close bracket dot toString open parentheses close parentheses double and sign textbox2.text is double equal sign to open parentheses reader open bracket close or open quotations password close quotations, close bracket, dot toString, open parentheses, close parentheses, open parentheses, close parentheses, close parentheses. Enter, open bracket, message box dot show, open parentheses, double quotations, logged in, close quotations, close parentheses, semicolon, enter, and then you need your ending curly bracket. Now, the problem with mine is that for some reason my SQL never configured correctly or something, but it won't write to the database. I've been talking to some people. I'm trying to get this fixed, but unfortunately in my case it won't show that message box. But if you follow both my tutorials, it should show it for yours. If you have any problems, just email me and I'll be happy to work it out. But I'm just telling you in pre-warning, I've made like 10 applications with SQL. It never writes it to the database to remember, so it sucks, but it's the best I can do. So go and hit debug, and then we're gonna do, and then blah, or I need something to remember. Which password be blah? How about that? Bad luck. Blah. If we hit login, it'll pop up a message box on yours, but it won't pop up on mine, unfortunately. I can even show you what the problem is. I'll go into show table data for the database and see how nothing wrote to it. For some reason, it doesn't write to it, so I'm trying to get that fixed. I may have to reinstall SQL or something like that. Hope not, but hopefully not. But yep, that's about it. There really wasn't much to this finishing the login one. I just couldn't fit it in 10 minutes in the past tutorial. So yeah, thanks for watching. Once again, my website is www.computertutorials.ismywebsite.com. Check it out. It's got a working registration and login. It actually does work, the SQL database. It's got forms, it's got a member section, and I'm getting my video section up to where you can buy them if you'd like to purchase the video, because I've gotten a few requests. I'd like to say thanks to all the people that sent me an email thanking me for my tutorials. It's great support. Thanks for all who subscribed recently. My first tutorial that my first C# tutorial that I uploaded is about to hit 1,300, which is a great accomplishment. So I'd like to thank all of you guys that watch my videos for getting it that high. And once again, thank my subscribers. Check out my website. Thanks. Bye.